Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha, and as you can see from the title, today's video is my morning routine. It's kind of a vlog and you can see how excited I am to do this. This is the first time I'm doing it, but yeah, I am like super excited to share with you what I actually do in my mornings. It's 7:30. I woke up. This is my usual time, and the first thing that I like to do as soon as I wake up is to open the blinds and let the sunlight come in. So I just like to, let go of the drowsy feeling or that sleepy feeling that I want to go back to bed. So I just sit by the couch and yeah, just go through my messages or scroll through my Instagram for like good 5 to 10 minutes before I start with my routine. Hey everybody, so I just freshen up and changed myself into my gym clothes or my workout clothes. I like to do my workouts in the morning because they keep me active throughout the day, and also they keep me away from junk. Also, whenever you're heading out for an outdoor workout, make sure to have your sunscreen on if you're going to be in the sun. That's really important. I mean, it doesn't matter what time of the day it is, sunlight can still be harsh. So before I head out, I make sure to apply my sunscreen. I use this one from Neutrogena. This is their ultra sheer sunscreen with an SPF 100 plus. Oh my god. So I just like take a little bit of this one, apply it all over my face. You can see my face looks like extra whitish. That is because of this one. And I also apply it all over my hands. The sun right now is so harsh. I mean, for something like 7:30, it's very hot. You might be wondering why I'm going walking in this very hot, humid climate. I have some vitamin deficiencies like D3 and some other stuff. My doctor has prescribed me to have or soak myself in harsh sun between 9 to 12 o'clock. I cannot manage 7:30 sun. I don't know how I will manage 9 o'clock to 12. So I make sure to come in like early. So at least I have something to tell her that I am trying my best to soak in the sun. And also I would like to tell something. This is like not what I do every day. There are days when I sleep in late, like until 10:30 in the morning or 11 o'clock. I do not have my breakfast, or I do not do a lot of other stuff. So where was I had to cross the road. So yeah, not anything Instagrammable, but I think that's okay because the lockdown is taking quite a toll on our mental health. So I want to tell everyone and everyone who's watching this that it's okay. It's okay to do anything that you want to do. It definitely has not to be like looking at someone on Instagram doing a lot of workout, or somebody who's cooking, or someone who is making the most of their time. It's their personal choice. Maybe that's what is making them really happy. So I request you, go ahead and do things that you want or you like or that make you happy. Do not compare yourself with somebody's social life on Instagram especially. There's a lot of difference between what people show on their social media and what they actually do. And also, if you need help, try to talk to someone. Yeah, just stay happy. I mean, this is not a contest to get perfect or be productive. It's just patience. That's what actually matters in times like this. So be patient, be at home. This is what I like to do. This makes me happy. This is helping me to keep myself sane during this lockdown. That's the reason I do it. And so yeah, so do whatever you want to do. Just don't compare yourself with anybody, and be happy and always keep smiling. Let me know what is that one song that you're listening to on your playlist. I'm listening to Hoina Hoina from Nani's Gang Leader, and I absolutely love that song. that was one hell of a session. I'm just done with my workout. It's 9 o'clock and I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some nice protein shake. And for my protein shake, I'm gonna use this protein powder from Organ. Now this one's plant-based and also it's gluten-free and soya-free. So I've already added a scoop of it. So I'm gonna go ahead, shake this one and have my protein drink. Ta-da! I'm just done with my bath and my morning routine and it's time for some breakfast. So for breakfast today, I'm making oatmeal bowl. That's like my most favorite breakfast, hands down. Oh God. It was just falling down. So yeah, in case if you're wondering how I make it, I think I've already posted it on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me on my Instagram account because I post a lot of stuff over there. Also, I'm gonna leave a link of it in my description for you to check it out. Also, let me know what's your favorite breakfast in the comment section. I would love to know it. My hair kind of looks extra frizzy, extra wavy today and all over the place, but yeah, I'm kind of liking it. So let's go and make some breakfast. So I'm done with my breakfast. It was so yummy. Now I'm reading this book called A Man Called Owen. I picked this one after Twinkle Khanna recommended this one. So far it's good. It's about an old man who is trying to adapt to the new technology and to the new living. I'm almost done with the book. I just have like some 100 pages to go ahead. I'm not gonna finish it today. I'll just go ahead and read like for some time and then think what to do next. Reading time is done and now it's TV time. So what I like to watch in the mornings is not any web series or anything, but I like to watch some comedy or maybe replay Friends on loop again and again, or some video editing tips on YouTube because that's one area that I want to improve. Today I'm just thinking of watching some episodes by Jimmy Kimmel because he is my favorite and he makes me laugh every time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. After this, I'll just go and prepare my lunch because it's already 11 o'clock and I like to have my lunch by 12:30.
I'm Jimmy. Here we are again.
Yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. If you did like it, then don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you soon in my next video.